My dear students, good morning to all of you. I am SSM Ramesh, School Assistant Biological Science, ZPH School Badangi, Vijayanagaram District. Today, in this session, we are going to learn the definition of photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis, the stages of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants containing the green pigment chlorophyll build up complex organic molecules from relatively simple inorganic ones using sunlight as an energy source. In this process, water and carbon dioxide are also used. Sunlight and carbon dioxide are called external factors. Water and chlorophyll are called internal factors. Observe the cartoon diagram of the photosynthesis. The leaf is the source of photosynthesis. The leaf is the source of photosynthesis. We can see the events in the photosynthesis. These are taken place in the three steps. One is conversion of light energy to chemical energy. Second one is the splitting of water molecule. Third one is the reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Now we see the mechanism of photosynthesis. It occurs in two steps. One is light dependent reaction or photochemical phase. The second one is light independent reaction or dark reaction or biosynthetic phase. Now we shall see the light reaction in brief. Light reaction takes place in grana of chloroplasts. Chlorophyll is a photosynthetic pigment present in the chloroplasts. Chlorophyll is get activated by absorbing photons. With the help of activated energy, water molecule is get split into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. So this is known as photolysis. Photo means light, lysis means splitting. Hydroxyl ion OH minus ion will undergo changes and becomes into oxygen. So in the first phase light reaction oxygen is evolved. Robert Hill, a scientist, made the research on the light reactions. So the reactions in the light reaction are called Hill's reactions. The outcomes of the light reaction or Hill reaction are ATP, NADPH and oxygen. Light independent reaction or dark reaction or biosynthetic phase. Dark reaction takes place in the stroma of chloroplasts. Hydrogen ions produced in photolysis are immediately picked up by the NADP, nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide phosphate. Dark reaction also takes place during the daytime only. NADPH is combined with carbon dioxide by using ATP and to produce glucose C6H12O6. Glucose finally converted into starch. Intermediate compounds like RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate, and enzymes take part in the reaction. Blackman and Melvin Calvin has made research on the dark reaction. Now we shall see the equation formulated by C.B. von Neil in 1931 of photosynthesis. Robert Hill showed oxygen is released from water. Then the equation was modified as follows. Please subscribe, watch, and share the digital education for all. Thank you. Thank you very much.